Revolutionizing finance and introduction to DeFi. The world of finance is changing. This system is called Decentralized Finance, or DeFi. DeFi aims to rebuild the financial system we know, but without the control of central authorities. Imagine a world where you control your money. No banks, no governments, just you in charge of your own financial destiny. It leverages the power of blockchain technology to create a more open, transparent, and accessible financial system for everyone. With DeFi, financial services become permissionless and borderless. Anyone with an internet connection can participate, regardless of their location or credit score. Join us as we explore the exciting world of DeFi and discover its potential to reshape the future of finance. Centralized finance, a system rife with issues. Traditional finance, or centralized finance, CFI, relies on intermediaries like banks and governments. These institutions control the flow of money, set interest rates, and impose regulations. One major issue with CFI is the risk of inflation. Governments can print more money, devaluing existing currency and eroding purchasing power. Another concern is the lack of access to financial services for many people worldwide. Millions are unbanked, lacking access to basic financial tools like savings accounts and loans. Centralized control also makes CFI vulnerable to censorship and manipulation. The inefficiencies of centralized finance, with its slow transactions, high fees, and opaque practices, further highlight the need for a more transparent and equitable system. DeFi offers a compelling alternative, leveraging technology to address the shortcomings of traditional finance. DeFi empowering finance through decentralization. Decentralized finance, DeFi, offers a radical departure from the traditional financial system. It operates on a decentralized network, removing the need for intermediaries like banks and governments. Instead, DeFi relies on blockchain technology and smart contracts to enable peer-to-peer financial transactions. At the heart of DeFi is the concept of financial empowerment. By eliminating intermediaries, DeFi gives individuals direct control over their assets. Transparency is another key aspect of DeFi. All transactions on a blockchain are publicly verifiable and immutable. DeFi applications, or dApps, are open source and permissionless. Anyone can access and use these applications, fostering innovation and collaboration. This open and accessible nature of DeFi has the potential to democratize finance. DeFi is truly finance for the people, by the people. Section 4, the pillars of DeFi, building a new financial world. The DeFi ecosystem is built on a foundation of innovative technologies and applications. These pillars work together to create a robust and evolving financial system. Let's explore some of the key components of DeFi. Stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a stable value, typically pegged to a fiat currency like the US dollar. Tether, or USDT, and USD Coin, or USDC, are popular examples. Stablecoins provide stability and reduce volatility, making them suitable for everyday transactions. Borrowing and lending. DeFi lending platforms facilitate peer-to-peer lending and borrowing without banks. Borrowers can access loans by providing over-collateralization in cryptocurrency, while lenders earn interest on their crypto assets. Decentralized exchanges, or DEX. DEX allow users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with one another without the need for centralized exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. Popular DEX include Uniswap and SushiSwap. These platforms offer greater control, privacy, and security for traders. Section 5. The promise of DeFi, a more equitable financial future. DeFi holds the promise of a more accessible, transparent, and equitable financial system. Its potential to empower individuals and revolutionize traditional finance is undeniable. Let's explore some of the key benefits of DeFi. Lower fees. By eliminating intermediaries, DeFi transactions often incur significantly lower fees compared to traditional financial services. This cost-effectiveness makes financial services more accessible to a wider range of people. Faster transactions. DeFi transactions can be processed much faster than traditional bank transfers, which can take days to clear. Blockchain technology enables near-instantaneous transactions, improving efficiency and convenience. Secure code smart contracts, the backbone of DeFi, are immutable and tamper-proof once deployed on the blockchain. This security feature reduces the risk of fraud and manipulation, fostering trust in the system. Financial inclusion. DeFi has the potential to bank the unbanked, providing access to financial services for millions worldwide who are excluded from traditional finance. Section 6. Embracing the future of finance. Decentralized finance is still in its early stages of development, but its potential is vast. As the technology matures and adoption grows, we can expect to see even more innovative applications and use cases emerge. The future of finance is decentralized, and DeFi is leading the way. This is an exciting time to be involved in the world of DeFi. The future of finance is here, and it is decentralized.